If you've ever tried to line up clips in CapCut and felt like everything keeps snapping into place by itself, you're in the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off snapping in CapCut quickly and easily, so you can edit with more precision and control. This is super useful when you want to place clips exactly where you want them, fine-tune your cuts, or stop the timeline from pulling your clips and playhead toward nearby edges. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and beginner-friendly software guides. Let's jump in. Now, in CapCut there are actually two snapping-related features you may want to turn off. The first is auto-snapping, which is the feature that pulls clips and the playhead toward cuts or nearby points on the timeline. The second is the main track magnet, which can cause clips to automatically collapse to the left and close empty gaps. Depending on what is bothering you, you may want to disable one or both. Let's start with the fastest method using keyboard shortcuts. If you want to disable auto-snapping, press N on your keyboard. This turns off the snapping behavior that makes clips in the playhead magnetically stick near edit points. Once that is off, you should notice it becomes much easier to place items more freely on the timeline. Next, if you also want to stop the main track magnet, press P on your keyboard. This disables the feature that automatically pulls clips together and closes gaps on the main track. If your timeline keeps rearranging itself in a way you do not want, this shortcut is the one to remember. With both N and P, you can quickly take back control of your editing workspace without digging through menus. If you prefer using the on-screen tools instead of shortcuts, there is also a manual way to turn snapping off. Look at the toolbar directly above your editing timeline and focus on the right side. You should see a magnet icon, and that is what controls the main track magnet. Click that icon to turn it off. When it is disabled, your clips will stop automatically collapsing together on the main track. Right next to it, you should also find the snapping icon, which may look like a vertical line with arrows or a guide for the timeline. Click that icon to turn off auto-snapping. Once both of these are disabled, CapCut should stop forcing your clips into nearby positions, giving you a much smoother manual editing experience. If you do not see the change right away, just click around the timeline and test it by moving a clip slightly. When snapping is off, the clip should move more freely instead of jumping into place. That is how you know the setting worked correctly. This is especially helpful if you are doing precise edits, syncing audio by hand, or building more complex projects where you do not want CapCut guessing where your clip should go. Turning off snapping can make your workflow feel a lot more natural once you get used to it. And just to recap, the quickest way is to press N to disable auto-snapping and P to disable the main track magnet. If you want to do it manually, use the toolbar above the timeline. Click the magnet icon and click the snapping icon to turn both features off. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.